What's the meaning of applicator? Applicator. Applicator.
Applicator. Applicator. An applicator is a tool or device used to apply a substance onto a surface. It can be as simple as a brush or sponge, or a more complex mechanism specifically designed for a particular substance. An applicator can be used in various fields such as makeup, painting, and medicine. The result of using an applicator is the efficient, accurate and controlled application of a substance onto the desired surface. It eliminates the need for messy or imprecise methods and ensures the substance is applied evenly, resulting in better outcomes.